Hi there, my name is Jenna Fasula Lapierre, and I'm an associate attorney here at the Miller Elder Law Firm. And I wanted to take a moment to speak with you today about the asset freeze protection law that we have here in Florida. On July 1st, 2018, this new law went into effect. And the new law is an injunction for protection against exploitation for vulnerable adults. Under the new injunction statute, it used the current framework that we have for injunctions against domestic violence, and it allows a circuit court a process to stop the bleed of assets where a vulnerable adult has been victimized or exploited. This injunction provides another tool for us to stop exploitation and undue influence of seniors and those with disability. It puts Florida at the forefront of protecting our most vulnerable citizens from exploitation because there is no other comparable process anywhere in the United States. Since July 1st, 2018, this law has allowed victims of exploitation to be able to walk into a courthouse without an attorney, without having to file any filing fees or court fees or anything of that sort, and obtain an asset freeze or injunction from the court, even if their money has been moved into another person's account. This new process has saved victims from across the state of Florida their life savings and has prevented predators from succeeding in exploiting vulnerable adults. Now, here at the Miller Elder Law Firm, we actually have a special relationship with this law, not just because we use it often. However, our own Shannon Miller co-drafted this legislation for the Elder Law Section and the North Central Florida Senior Advocacy Network. And further, both Shannon and I have more recently gone around the state and helped educate judges, clerks, assistant state attorneys about this law, about what it says, about what it can do, and about how we can use it to protect those that really truly need it. At the firm, we have taken on several complicated exploitation cases and have been successful using this legislation to stop exploitation and help our clients. Now, I've spoken a lot about the freezing of assets, which is absolutely one of the things that this legislation does and can do. However, one of the less commonly spoken about things that is also an advantage of it is the no contact provision that it can provide. And this means that oftentimes when we have had exploitation occur for a vulnerable adult, the exploiter has infiltrated their lives in any number of ways, whether it's physically, like in the space in their home, whether it's, getting access to their accounts or any other number of things, their computers, those sorts of things. And a judge, through this law, can order that exploiter not be allowed to have any contact whatsoever with that vulnerable adult. So not only is the asset freeze or the freezing of assets preventing them from leaving the possession of the vulnerable adult extremely important, but equally important is also making sure that exploitation is prevented by extracting the exploiter from the life of or the immediate vicinity of the vulnerable adult. So thank you for taking a moment and walking down this path of exploring what exactly this asset freezer injunction law is here in Florida. And we hope that if the circumstances so arise for you, that we can help you implement this and make sure that your loved ones are protected.